friends. I've got friends.
Yeah, because you stole him.
I won. You lost. I'm hotter.
Yeah, you're hotter. Because you're going to burn in hell.
Fred, get off of me. Just
Okay,
go.
okay, stop.
Good. Fred, you're here.
Both of you just go away forever.
No, Kendra. Lucy, you go away.
What?
Kendra's the one I want.
What?
It's over, Lucy. Just go. Tell me, I thought about what happened. Tell me, I wish I had eyes. But I do know I like you. Did that work?
Did that work? You bet it did.